All right, go back to where you were before. Tell him to stay. Patrick, between these two. Tamara, you're to the right of the last dog I called.
At Comprehensive Pet Therapy in Atlanta on a Sunday afternoon, the pack is on its best behavior.
Nice, that's better, pack.
Well, maybe not all of them. The dogs and their owners do various drills and skills together.
Hey, good job, buddy.
But make no mistake,
The first down stay.
this is not a dog obedience or training class.
We're going to be peering into your dog's mind.
It's an audition.
Welcome to the tryouts for the MRI Dog Project.
Emory University professor of psychology and neuroscientist Dr. Gregory Berns
One of the aspects we'll be testing today.
and dog trainer Mark Spivak joined forces 9 years ago.
We're going to have you bring your dog about here.
Before then, Berns was studying human decision-making. But then this happened.
Today there was a report that those 24 Navy SEALs who moved in on Osama bin Laden in those 40 minutes had help from a fearsome colleague.
Osama bin Laden was killed, and on the mission with the 24 Navy SEALs was a dog named Cairo.
I saw these photos and this footage of these dogs jumping out of helicopters and wearing, goggles and ear protection. And I'm probably the only person who saw that and said, if dogs can be trained to jump out of helicopters, we could probably train them to go into MRI scanners.
What about the small dog, the next to last dog?
Which brings us back to the audition.
Millie, come.
Why would these dog owners want to undergo all this training for their dogs to go into an MRI?
And I just want to know, what is she saying? What is she trying to tell me?
What is it you're thinking when you chase the gardener when he's blowing the yard?
I would say, who's your favorite? Who does he love more, mom or dad?
I would like to know what makes her so constantly joyful, because she's always in a happy mood.
So we use the command coil.
In order to get those answers, their dogs have to do well on assessments,
That's great.
show promise. Some do, some don't.
So it's more a test of anxiety or absence of anxiety.
If you're invited to join the project,
After tryouts end, it feels a bit like Survivor.
I gave her mostly 4s and 5s.
A bunch of dogs are getting voted off the MRI island.
I gave him a 0.
We can't have them like flip-flopping around.
Some, like Riley the Golden, aren't written off completely.
In my comments, I wrote immature but potential. Zoe.
I mean, she did really, really well.
Zoe the Doodle is a standout. She's already a trained therapy dog.
Yeah, I think there were very few weaknesses with Zoe.
Hey, high five. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. You so good. You so good. Yeah.